This is a containerized modular QC clean laboratory designed and manufactured by BOTHX, specifically developed for quality control and testing applications in the pharmaceutical, food, and healthcare sectors. The overall process layout is designed in accordance with GMP and FDA requirements. The primary controlled environments are designed to meet GMP Grade C and Grade D clean room standards. Featuring a standard container footprint and side-mounted MEP systems for easier maintenance, the laboratory can be commissioned and delivered within 3 days of arrival on site. The solution is optimized for international sea freight transportation and enables rapid local deployment and operational startup. Let's take a closer look inside the module and explore its key features and functional areas. At the entrance, a primary gowning room is provided, equipped with a stainless steel shoe-changing bench and a stainless steel hand-washing sink. Passing through the common CNC room, personnel enter the Grade D gowning room, which is equipped with stainless steel cleanroom lockers and a cleanroom hand-washing sink. Personnel then pass through a Grade C airlock before entering the Grade C cleanroom area. This space can support a variety of testing applications, including sterility testing, positive control testing, and microbial limit testing. The laboratory can be equipped with biological safety cabinets, sterile isolators, and stainless steel laboratory workbenches according to operational requirements. To prevent cross-contamination, the facility incorporates a combined grade, a sterile stainless steel pass box, allowing finished products and waste materials to be transferred independently through separate pathways.